Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. Double bond equivalence, DBE, also called degree of unsaturation, DU, is calculated using the formula dB is equal to C plus 2 plus NHX 2, where oxygen and sulfur are not counted in the formula. Moving on to the next step. Identify the molecular formula components. C is equal to 6, H is equal to 12, O is equal to 6, N is equal to 0, X, halogens, is equal to 0. Moving on to the next step. Apply the DBE formula, oxygen is ignored. DB is equal to 2 times 6 plus 2 to 12, 2. DB is equal to 12 plus 2 to 12, 2. DB is equal to 2. DB is equal to 1. And for the final step, interpret the result. A DBE of 1 means the compound has 1 degree of unsaturation. This could be 1 double bond, C is equal to O, C is equal to C, or 1 ring. A classic example of C6H12O6 is glucose, which exists predominantly as a cyclic hemiacetal, 1 ring, contributing 1 dB, consistent with this result. Why other options fail? A. 0 would require the formula to be fully saturated with no rings or double bonds. The formula gives dB is equal to 1, not 0. C. 2 would require dB is equal to 2. The calculation yields only 1. D. 3 would require dB is equal to 3. The calculation yields only 1. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.